Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a solid black line in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page, then go to the tools section, and we can see here many tools. Now I am select the shapes drop down menu and select the rectangle tool. Then draw a rectangle to this page. Then select the stroke option, choose none, and select the fill color and choose the black color. Then click outside of the shape and select the move tool. Now we can see we insert a solid black line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.